It's very blunt.
Yeah, where? Okay. We need the snipper.
The snipper.
Yeah, but these also cut well now because I use them so much. Ugh.
You better get something better than.
Hell.
Here we go.
I'm using budget handsaw. You can cut it with regular things, so we're gonna do redneck handsaw style. If I die, contribute to my mom. Mom! I'm just exploding compressed straw hail. Successful. This fucking tool. Clean it. That's how I clean it.